Hello everyone, welcome back to Autotrend TV. I am your Viprajesh again, and in this video I would like to talk about the new Ford Endeavour Sport variant. Ford India has been testing a sport variant of their Ford Endeavour SUV, which will be receiving a few cosmetic updates inside and out, similar to the global Everest SUV. Ford had already launched the Everest Sport SUV in markets such as Australia. This new sport variant gets glossy black, replacing the chrome on the outside. The front grille, skid plates, bumper accents, tailgate strip, fender badges and the 18-inch alloy wheels will be finished in glossy black. Adding to all this, a unique sport badging will be provided on the tailgate and the lower part of the rear doors. On the inside, however, the new Endeavour Sport is highly unlikely to receive any changes and will still carry forward the exact same dual-tone interior theme of beige and black. Apart from all these changes, the Endeavour Sport will carry forward the same specifications as on the regular variants. Standard features will include bi-LED headlamps with LED DRLs, auto-folding ORVMs, panoramic sunroof, powered driver seat, 18-inch alloy wheels, dual-zone automatic climate control, automatic headlamps and automatic wipers, cruise control, 8-inch touchscreen system with Sync 3, 10-speaker surround system with a subwoofer, Android Auto, Apple CarPlay and Ford Pass connected car features, a reverse parking camera, electric tailgate, power folding third row seats, smart key with push button start, terrain management system on the 4x4 variants, and the semi-automatic park assist. Standard safety features on the Ford Endeavour Sport BS6 will include ABS with EBD, all-wheel disc brakes, corner braking control, 7 airbags, electronic stability program, traction control, hill hold control, hill descent control, tire pressure monitoring system, rollover mitigation, electronic brake prefill, hydraulic brake assist, perimetric alarm system, front parking sensors, pre-tensioner seat belts, ISOFIX child seat mounts, and Ford Pass tracking with geofencing. Coming to powertrains, the Endeavour Sport will carry forward the very same 2-liter EcoBlue 4-cylinder turbo diesel engine, producing 170 PS of maximum power and 420 Nm of maximum torque through the new 10-speed automatic transmission. This new sport variant is likely to be available in both 2-wheel drive and 4-wheel drive versions. This new Ford Endeavour Sport will be launched by the second half of September 2020. And will compete against the Toyota Fortuner TRD Limited Edition. These new sport variants could be priced at a slight premium over the standard Endeavour variants. The prices are expected to be around Rs 30 lakh to 34.8 lakh ex-showroom. So do let me know in the comment section below, what do you think about this new sport variant of the Ford Endeavour SUV. Meanwhile, this is Viprajesh signing off. See you on another video. Thank you for watching.